Kaluwore gi medruok mar kwan nyithindo magamo iye moiu kachiel kod kute mag ayaki, piny owacho koro idwa ni oket maino e chenro mag chiwo puonj kod tiegruok ne rowere kor gwenge. Maendi en bang' nonro mane otim e pachoka endi yango ni chiegni kwan 15% mag nyithindo man kind higa mar 15 nyaka 19 osegamo iye makamago, bende osenyuolo moko bende osenyuolo nyaka nyithindo. Nonrono mane otim higa mokalo mar 2025, kwan 41% mag jogo magamo kute manyien mag ayaki gin rowere manie kind higni 15 nyaka 19. Nonro bende oyango ni kwan 26% mag rowerego emong'eyo ni kute mag ayaki inyalo geng' gi rabo yunga.
Percent of the new HIV infection in Kenya were among adolescents and young people aged between 15 to 24. Mother-to-child transmission rose from 7.3 to 9.3%. In Garissa, just 15% of adolescent girls have comprehensive HIV knowledge. Only 26% of adolescent girls nationally know that a condom prevents HIV transmission. These are not gaps in statistics, they are gaps in survival. We are committed to closing this gap through investment in comprehensive sexuality education.
Sub-Saharan Africa has the highest teenage pregnancy and adolescent birth rates in the world. Eastern and Southern Africa has the highest prevalence of HIV/AIDS. I'm very happy that UNAIDS is in the house. And despite decades of advocacy, young women and girls are still subjected to female genital mutilation and child marriage. Practices that don't simply harm bodies, but they derail entire life trajectories. We all know how much we are suffering in the continent with gender-based violence.